Usually, the cost of official AWS practice exams for cloud practitioner or associate level certifications is around $20 and for professional and specialty level, it is around $40. But do you know that if you have passed at least one AWS certification exam, you will get many benefits from AWS, and one of those benefits is getting voucher for free AWS exam practice tests. So under the AWS Certification Benefits portal, if we scroll down, we can see the details of the benefits here. So from where do we get this free practice exam voucher? When you log in into your AWS certification portal, and if you click on Go to your account, you land on the AWS Training and Certification portal. Here, if you click on the Benefits tab and scroll down, you will see here many benefits. These benefits will appear here when you have passed your first AWS exam. As I have passed 3 AWS certifications, I can see the benefits 3 times here. So here is the free AWS Practice Exam voucher. And as I have already claimed it, when you click on Claim Benefit, you will see this code here. So now you just have to copy this code. And if you hover over the details here, after registering for practice exam of your choice in PSI, enter this code on the payment checkout screen. Yes, that's the place where we can use this code to get our practice exam for free. So let's go to the AWS Training and Certification portal and try to schedule a practice exam. Click on the Upcoming Exams tab here, and you can see here the option for scheduling practice exam with PSI and schedule practice exam with PSN View. So as it says that you can use it for the practice exam in PSI, let's click on Schedule Practice Exam with PSI. Here if I scroll down, I can see a table for practice exams. And let's say if I want to schedule my AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner practice test, I will click on Purchase. Let's select the language as English, and the location can be, let's say I'll use India. Continue. And now enter our voucher. And when I click on Apply, this voucher should get applied, and then my cost for this exam, which is $20, will be reduced to almost $0. And that is also possible with professional and specialty level exams. So isn't that a great benefit? Did you like the video? Then please subscribe to this channel, press that bell icon, press the like button and share this video with all of your friends. All the best for your AWS journey.